What is the real meaning of roof in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of roof dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see roof in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates protection, security and harmony in life. And due to this you are going to get success in your work, project or planning very easily. So to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to think big and take risk to get the extraordinary results in real life. Now number 2, if you see a broken or cracked roof in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to protect your energy and plans from others. As well as you should try to find the solutions of your inner conflicts, because these inner conflicts can create bigger problems in the coming future. So to avoid these things, just set your goals according to priority in life. Now number 3, if you see new roof or newly constructed roof in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates the beginning of something new and success in any work, project or planning. As well as this dream also suggests that you have chosen the right path in life that will give you tremendous success in the coming future. Now number 4, if you see collapsing roof in a dream, then it indicates a lack of control over any kind of situation which is going on right now in waking life. And due to this you are feeling quite helpless in life. So to avoid this problem, you should try the power of prayer and meditation in life. Only then you will find the possible solution of your problems easily in real life. Now number 5, if you see yourself standing on the roof in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to achieve something big in life in the coming future that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance in real life. Now number 6, if you see a strong roof in a dream, then it indicates stability, protection and success, prosperity and harmony in life. As well as this dream also suggests many positive changes in the coming future that will make you a more confident and happier person in real life. Now number 7, if you see repairing roof in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates the ending of life problems soon which have been bothering you for a long time. Because now you are trying to prioritizing things in life and trying to chase only those things which are meaningful for you and life itself. So to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set very clear goals to get the desired results fast in real life. Now number 8, if you see yourself climbing on the roof in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get success in your work, project or planning despite difficulties due to your skills, knowledge and willpower. So to get the desired results fast in life, this is the right time to increase your efforts in real life. Now number 9, if you see falling from the roof in a dream, then it indicates the fear of failure, low self-esteem and a lack of confidence due to any reason in life. So to avoid these kinds of things, you should try to focus on your spiritual life. Only then you will be able to remove these kinds of negative things from your life. Now number 10, if you see roof construction in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity and an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily. As well as this dream also suggests the beginning of something good and new that will change you and your life completely in positive ways in the coming future. Now number 11, if you see water leaking from roof or ceiling in a dream, then it indicates emotional pressure, hidden stress, unresolved issues or concern coming from any area of life which you need to control as soon as possible. Otherwise you can face many unwanted problems in the coming future. So to avoid these things, just believe in your God and yourself and focus on your current task or targets according to priority with focusing on your strengths rather than weaknesses in real life.